Welcome back, guys. So I got a project going. I've got to cover that pump house. It's getting late fall, starting to cool down a lot, and I need to protect all those pipes. Well, where are you going? Come on. There you go. Yeah. So I need to mill out some more lumber to make some board and batten siding for that thing. And this one is very needy. I've got a little bit milled out right there, but not enough. So I need to find a tree that I can chop down and mill out, preferably something that's already dead, but not rotten. Hang out for a minute. So we're gonna take a walk. I think I see a tree that's out there that I can mill a decent amount of wood out of without too much work. We've got a couple trees falling over here, but they're small and it's a lot of work to get a little bit. There's a couple dead ones right there that we can use for firewood because they're not very big around. But there's a bigger one right out here. I'm hoping I can get the backhoe to it so I can drag it out. And I'm hoping it's not rotten in the middle. It looks like it's been dead for a little while. Oh yeah, there it is. That tree right there. Nice tall tree. Big around at the base and pretty straight. The bark's peeling off the top, so I'm pretty sure it's beetle kill. I'm pretty sure it's from a couple years ago. Did we only get one dog to follow us?
I think one came and the other stayed.
Well, at least one knows how to listen. The deaf one.
Kind of ironic.
You know what happened? She probably waited for him to close his eyes and she split. I think I can get the backhoe out here. But this is the tree in question.
Oh wow, that is a big tree.
That's a big tree.
That's a lot of wood. How are you gonna cut that thing down?
And that's a big stout trunk that has a lot of millable lumber in it. That's straight for a long ways. I can get a lot of lumber out of that tree.
Because it looks like it has a lot of mistletoe in it too. And for the trunk to be straight is good. It looks like only the branches got all gnarled up.
Yeah. That is definitely beetle kill wood. Nice blue stain.
This is just gorgeous. This gray.
Oh yeah.
And then white, and then gray. There's no streaking or anything.
Now the streaks are usually on the outside, like
Just
on the top,
big
but
stripes.
that's
Incredible.
that's incredibly gray, blue, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. So I've milled it all up. That's what's left of it. 2 1-inch planks, 1 1/4 inch planks, and 2 more stacks of siding that I have to cut to length. I didn't want to bore you with all the milling, flipping it, squaring it, getting it all cut. But I can't tell you how much satisfaction it gives me to be able to mill my own lumber and make my own projects instead of having to go buy the lumber at a lumber yard. Guys, if you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Hit the bell for notifications. Hit that like button. Leave a comment if there's something more you want to see, or if you just want to say hello. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, guys, go make something.